Hello everyone, my name is Vincent Chauvière and I'm in charge of the international marketing for L'Oréal Men Expert. We are very happy to announce our partnership with the Movember Foundation and our strong commitment in favor of men's health. The Movember Foundation is the largest men's health charity in the world. It raises funds and awareness against male-specific diseases like prostate cancer and testicular cancer. It's a simple and cold fact: men die too young. On average, in our Western countries, they die 6 years younger than women. That's the cool part. You know, the logo of the Movember Foundation is the little moustache. And the story behind this moustache comes back to 2003 in Australia. Back then, it was just a bunch of friends who were talking in a pub on how they could bring their support to the prostate cancer research. And they came up with this weird idea of wearing a moustache for 1 month. The fact of wearing a moustache was getting the attention around them. And they used this attention as a platform to promote the Movember cause and also to say, okay guys, I'm wearing a moustache, I'm keeping it, so I'm making an effort. Please give us money in return. And since 2003, more than 5 million men and women have participated in one of the yearly Movember campaigns. Men Expert is directly donating money to the Movember Foundation and helping to raise funds. That's not just it. All our fantastic Men Expert teams in our countries will support the foundation and put media behind it to raise the awareness. We're gonna have one page dedicated to Movember on all our websites. We will have the logo of the Movember Foundation on the packaging of our new range Barber Club. And all our spokes and influencers, and I have to say not only men, will support Movember. Now we want to go further, we all have a role to play. Join us in the Movember movement. All the content you create, all the pictures you take, share them online using the hashtag MovemberXL'Oréal. We really count on you. You know, each euro makes a difference. All together, let's support Movember and men's health.